December 1941. The United States is at war. Industrial production increases 96%. American factories build 300,000 warplanes. At a bomber plant in Seattle, workers sign a B-17 Flying Fortress. 5 shiny new aircraft roll off the production line every day, 7 days a week. This is number 5,000. But with millions of American men at and behind the front, the nation needs pilots to ferry planes to air bases. Pilot Jackie Cochran has an ambitious idea. She persuades the Air Force to hire female pilots for the first time. At Ellington Field in Texas, she presents the first graduating class of women Air Force service pilots, or WASPs, with their wings. After a kiss from her 10-year-old daughter, WASP Natalie Ellis takes off for a training session. During the war, more than 1,000 WASPs ferry over 12,000 warplanes from factories to bases. 3 decades will pass before women are allowed to pilot U.S. military aircraft again.